He is out. He is out.
You're going to have your hands full with this one.
Hello, gorgeous. Who's my handsome Coco? Who's my handsome Coco?
He really likes
Look,
to go
look, Coco, look,
investigating
look, look,
and check things out. And you like to find
Coco,
trouble,
look.
don't you?
Look,
Huh?
Coco. You looking?
But you're a sweet baby. That just means he's smart, aren't you? And Brandon, your baby's right here. Oh, no, there's your baby. What you doing there, mister? Here. This is your baby, Brandon. Look how pretty. Brandon's ready for you to come home. You gonna learn to eat so you can go home? Huh? Okay, that's enough. Here. There you go. What you guys gonna do now? I don't know why they all have their back to me. Turn around this way. So I can see you. That's Pico. They're hiding.
Hello.
Go. And that's Bethany.
Hello. No biting camera.
Pineapple there.
Uh,
Come here, silly.
Are you looking at them? Look, look. Oh, this one is cute. Look, they're pretty.
And Brandon, this is your baby here. Let's see if he'll step up. Come here.
Whoa, they all got on.
And Bethany's baby over there.
Why don't you do that?
Planning an escape. You're looking for trouble, aren't you, sweetheart? You're a troublemaker, but you're cute and smart.
Oh yes, he is very cute.
Troublemakers
Very
are
cute.
always the smart,
Coco is cute too. Right, Coco?
aren't you? Are you smart pants?
Ouch. 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 Ouch.
Younger set of babies here.
Say bye, Coco. Say bye.
April, that's your baby in the front there. Yellow